Explain the advantages of application of water by modern methods of irrigation. The modern irrigation mainly focuses on machine-intensive and more sophisticated methods to provide water to crops when there are no rains. First advantage is that modern irrigation provides the water to the soil for proper growth of crops. This prevents crops from drying during no rain time. Gravity dams are best suitable for areas with heavy downpour and are stable. These dams are cheaper and require low maintenance. The modern irrigation leads to more employment opportunities to labor class in vegetation areas. Proper irrigation with proper techniques improves the groundwater level. This can be achieved by proper piping to provide water to soil. Thus, we can summarize as: